and we're here in the closet space of the Union Project, where I'm going to be performing selections of my poem, The Archive Sings of Winter. And The Archive Sings of Winter is a poem about a fantastical archive. It contains an infinite collection of objects. And I'm going to be in the space acting as if I am engaging in ritual. So I'll be manipulating eggshells, I'll be grinding them with a mortar and pestle. At one point I'll put them into jars and I'll archive them. We rise and uncreak the creases. We rise, applause dislodging dust from doveskin. We rise and go, silk and tulle, whalebone and waistcoat, pleat and pearl. We rise in chemises and shifts, stockings and redingots, chintz and taffeta and go. In the lobby, we gather in clutches of sleeves and slacks, cabals of houndstooth and hoop skirts, bundles of buckles and stomachers. We spill speeches, lines, mummified wine from goblets and glasses, mugs and steins. Meanwhile, the puppeteers prepare for Act 2, stringing bones on gold wire.